Okay, DT. Okay, DT.
For real. When it's back with a bean, yeah. Then I pull up with a zing, yeah. Talk shit, y'all, that's what it mean. Yeah, nigga, mom, you didn't blink. No, it's for me. When a Glock with a beam, I'ma ride through. Talking shit, I can't fall no shit too. Beat his ass, I did it with Kung Fu. Got some new shoes, yeah, they stay new. People talking this shit, I don't know you. I'm drippin' drip, you know that I stay cool. Said that they knew you, but they didn't even know you. I got the drip, sometimes it be old school. For real. Make a joker, cause you really young on me, for real. Matter of fact, I'ma make her my baby, for real. Give her one night, she finna go crazy, for real. Wanna know why these niggas start hating. Think I'm the best and no fucking the bed. Don't sound like no rapper, you can't even say it. Going in, yeah, I feel like a savage. Keep on playing, I'ma let them have it. Intercepting niggas like it's Madden. Yeah, you see that sign, you can't have it. Tryna ball on these niggas like Mavericks. I be shooting my things like I'm Larry. Run up on these niggas, yeah, they scary. Wanna wind on me like I'm Harry. Tryna beat me, yeah, I'm finna parry. Rockin' with me, I'ma do you fairly. Yeah, I want her, but not tryna marry. Well, I LeBron James, I'ma carry. Hey, I don't hang with you, get from near me. They say I'm nice, told them people vary. I be moving like motherfucking matches, don't fuck with these niggas be capping. Keep on talking, you know that you capping. I'm tryna get rich, yeah, I'm tryna get cabbage. Run up on these niggas, yeah, they slacking. Pull up on these niggas, catch them lacking. Tryna get green, but no trapping. I be really just tryna get cabbage. People like me, you know they stay capping. I ain't got it cause I just started rapping. Tryna get racks, hope you know I ain't capping. Don't fuck with them niggas cause they just be lacking. I'm tryna get racks and I'm stopping. I'm tryna take off like a rocket. I want them racks, no I'm never stopping. I'm going hard, tryna start popping.